In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mermaid code in Draw.io. If you want to turn Mermaid syntax into a visual diagram inside Draw.io, the process is very straightforward once you know where to find the option. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what the available insert choices mean, and what to expect once your diagram is added to the canvas. To begin, make sure you're already inside the diagram editor in Draw.io. Once you're in the editor, look at the menu bar across the top of the screen. Click on Arrange, then move your cursor over Insert in the drop-down menu. From there, select Mermaid. This will open a dialog box where you can paste or type your Mermaid code. At this point, take a moment to review the code you're entering, especially if you copied it from somewhere else. Clean formatting can help avoid errors and make sure the diagram renders correctly. Once your Mermaid code is in the dialog box, you'll need to choose how you want Draw.io to insert it. You'll usually see two main options. The first is diagram. If you choose diagram, Draw.io will convert your Mermaid code into editable Draw.io shapes. This is a great option if you want to customize the result afterward, move individual elements around, or restyle parts of the diagram directly on the canvas. The second option is image. If you choose image, Draw.io will create a single SVG image instead. This option keeps the Mermaid code preserved for later editing, which can be useful if you want to maintain the original Mermaid base structure while still inserting it visually into your file. After choosing the option that best fits your needs, click Insert. Draw.io will then process the Mermaid code and generate the diagram for you automatically. Once that's done, the diagram will be added directly to your canvas. From there, you can position it where you want and continue working on the rest of your file. If you inserted it as a diagram, you'll be able to edit the individual shapes. If you inserted it as an image, you'll have a cleaner single graphic while still preserving the source for future changes. And that's all there is to it. That's how you add Mermaid code in Draw.io. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of time if you already use Mermaid to describe flows, processes, or system diagrams.